another video, guys. So we're not gonna be talking about the Jeep today. We're actually gonna be finding out what's going on with the GMC. I received the call. My wife's been driving the GMC and she's stuck on the highway right now. So all she told me is that she can't move. She puts it on drive and it's just stuck and it's not going anywhere. So I think I know what's going on. I kept feeling something like the brake calipers were getting stuck. So that's my guess. So we'll see. We'll figure it out right now once we get there.